Hello everyone. Yesterday we have seen Pearson's correlation coefficients. Yes, if R is equal to 1, then perfect positive relationship. Okay, if R is equal to -1, then perfect negative linear relationship. If R is equal to 0, then no linear relationship. Okay, so yesterday we have seen videos on Pearson correlation coefficient. Let's see today's topic. Pearson correlation coefficient example. Okay, so how can we solve example by using Pearson's correlation coefficient? Yes, so suppose here is example data is x students studying hour. Okay, here exam score, if student study 2 hours, then his exam score is 50. If studied 4 hours, then exam score will be 60. If 6 hours, then 70. And if he studies 8 hours, then exam score will be 80. Okay, so let's see. Here is step 2. How can we solve? Suppose here x and y data. Okay, then x minus 5, because in formula we want x minus x bar, summation of x minus x bar y minus y bar upon x minus x bar square into summation of y minus y bar square. Yes, we want this calculation. Okay, so for that we require term x minus x bar y minus y bar, summation of all these 4 terms. Okay, so in this example in this table we are calculating x minus x bar. Here x bar is 5, y minus y bar is 65, x minus 5, y minus 5, and x minus 5 bracket square, y minus 5, y minus 65 bracket square. We need all these terms. If we take sum of x minus 5 into y minus 5, see, if we take sum of this column, okay, so we will get 100. Yes, if we take sum of x minus 5 square, okay, so we will get here 20. Okay, if we take sum of x minus 5 into y minus 5, so we will get here. Okay, and again if we take sum of x minus 5 bracket square y minus 65 square, so we will get, see, we will get 500. Okay, 500, here is 500. If we put all these values in our formula, yes, r is equal to summation x minus x bar y minus y bar upon square root of summation x minus x bar square into summation y minus y bar square. So we will get r is equal to 100 upon square root of 20 into 100. So r is equal to 1. So result is 1. And if result is 1, then we have seen there is perfect positive linear relationship of Pearson correlation coefficient. Okay, if r is equal to +1, then we will get perfect positive linear relationship. Okay, so we have seen now example on Pearson correlation coefficients. In a similar manner you can solve many more examples. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.